Hello, love. Is it fine if I come over here, go under the blankets with you? Hmm? It is? Or are you sure? It's not gonna bother you? Oh, okay, cool. It's just, I'm just so glad to have you. Just hanging around, waiting for me, and waiting for you all the time. um, I thought I overheard a conversation with you and Murdoch. I heard you like tea. I don't know what type of tea you like, but made you peppermint tea. What? You like peppermint tea? What a coincidence. Here. I hope you like it. Do you like it with extra sugar or, medium? Extra sugar? Oh. Do you want to put in extra sugar cubes? I brought some up here. Here. So, I've been tired lately. My days haven't been going so well in the studio, making music. I've been falling asleep a lot. Ace told me not to fall asleep in the studio because it's not somewhat sleep. Told him I was sorry. I wouldn't do it again. But actually, to tell you the truth, I wasn't actually even sorry. So how have you been lately? It's been okay for you? Oh, it's been okay for me too. I'm glad life's going okay with you, love. Because if things get around, I'll always be here to support you. You know, that one type of guy that always hangs around. Yeah, I'm just here for you, okay? Just know that. Do you want me to snuggle you, comfort you, give you head pats, anything like that? What would you like? Head pats? Nice choice, love. I actually never have given anyone head pats, but tell me if you feel uncomfortable here. Does that feel good? Making you comfortable? It felt comfortable. My first time giving someone head pats. You're telling me it feels comfortable? That's nice. But let me ask you something. Are you and Murdoch, do you have like a thing going on, love? Cause I haven't been seeing you lately. Been hanging out with him a lot. He's been calling you darling, love, and other things. Oh. Oh no. I'm so sorry. I did not know you guys were best friends. I am so sorry, love. Here. Yeah, a few kisses. So sorry. Do you want me to do something for you? My apologies. You told me it's okay. How was it okay if I'm just going to say that you guys had something going on when you didn't? It's not okay to just assume. Okay, love. You say so. Here, can I lay my head down on the pillow you have on your lap. I can. Thank you. Been waiting to do that for a while. Thanks, love. So, I see you and Noodle got something going on. Not like that. Like, your guys' friendship is going well. And you took it to the noodle shop yesterday. How was it? You liked it? I'm glad. Did you get a good night's sleep last night? Did? That's great. How's your recording going? Like your voice and everything, vocal cords, you know? It's going well? Good. My voice has been cracking up lately. Murdoch beat me up yesterday again, falling asleep. You know, does that. He's a bit mean to me. No, you don't have to talk to him about it. I'm okay, I'm used to it. Alrighty, love. Get some rest. We have to record tomorrow. Here. Here's your tea. I made you an extra cup. In case you get thirsty again. Your water is here. Do you want me to turn your lamp off? You're gonna continue reading? Okay, don't stay up for long. You already know we have to get up early. Okay, love. Good night. I love you. Last kiss. Goodbye. Love you. One last time.